Hello, welcome to my channel, Tactical Expedition, and today I want to show you how I'm gonna apply the red decal that I purchased from TRD Vinyl Decal. Basically, I got this information from the AJD Designs key fob location, and they have a link to this location. So once you order it, you'll get this letters. Okay, TRD, and you only get one. So I'm gonna try to apply this correctly with the instructions. So first, I'm gonna clean this. I'm gonna spray some. And basically, this is a TRD Pro skid plate. And you know, before I didn't think that I'm gonna apply anything here, but 2019 TRD Pros come with the red TRD logo decal attached. So since I have this channel of modifying my vehicle, even if it's a small modification, I wanted to try it and show you guys how it looks, so you can decide if you want it or not. So I try to get all the little dirt out of the letters because I don't want any air bubbles. But this is not a sticker, okay? It's like a decal that you need soapy water to apply these. So I'll apply to the easiest one first, which is letter T. So the instruction shows that I might be cleaning the TRD logo with the alcohol. And you know, I never done this before, so if I fail, it's gonna be on the video. I'm gonna get the letter T. And basically it says, use a masking tape to peel the letter. Because it's not a sticker, okay? Don't peel it. And that's the instruction is written on right here. Masking tape. I'm just gonna apply it to the decal. Just like that. Then basically it says this contains water and dishwasher soap, okay? So they said spray it on the T because it's a wet application. Okay, so this is just like, you know, at a tin shop, you know, people wet the windows. It's just like that. So using the masking tape, it peels easy. Okay, so it's very easy. It's very thin film, something like that. And then they said to apply the soap water onto the sticky side, like this. Okay, so okay, then I'll just attach it something like that. Hopefully it works. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna take this masking tape off and then see if it's on it perfectly. So now I'm just gonna dab it. Add a little bit. If you need more moisture, you could just spray more solution. I'm sorry, the water and the dishwasher soap solution. Okay, so now I'm gonna press a little bit harder. It seems like it's all on there. It's on there perfectly. So that's that. See, masking tape. And then just apply it. I'll peel it. Peel it slowly. I spray the vinyl also with soap water. Then let's try to put the decal. Okay. So hopefully it's in there. Keep the masking tape off. And they kind of run your finger through to get all the bubbles out. Okay. There's a little bubble here. There's a little bubble here. There's a little bubble there. I think it's on flat, so let's take some of the moistures out. I think it's better to bring a pillow because neck is getting a little strained. Okay, and then I'm gonna peel it. Hopefully it works. Okay, good. It worked. So basically there's a little sticker on this part. I don't know if you can see it. So manufacturer already put some sticker right there. So then this part and this part stays together when you apply the tape. After that, you can remove that tape. So do this slowly. Don't let the sticker touch each other. All right, so let's do the top first. It was very difficult. Okay. So, okay. Oh, it's hard to get that bubble out. Finally, it is over. So, let me see. All right. That's how it looks. Okay, good. Along with my TRD license plate frame. So thank you for viewing my video, and please subscribe, like my videos, and I'll be back with more videos in the future. Thank you.